Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make an e-commerce website with Framer. Framer is an intuitive and professional website builder that's easy to use even if you don't know how to code. It's super convenient for building your websites. First, go to framer.com. You'll land on their homepage, which is sleek and modern. Scroll down and see various features and tools to help you build your site. The homepage gives a good overview of what Framer can do, showcasing its capabilities with great looking screenshots and descriptions. To get started, you can sign up or start for free. I'll click on sign up and continue with my Google account. The sign up process is straightforward. After selecting my Google account, we must click the continue button. Once clicked, it asks me to enter my first and last name and agree to the terms of service. It only takes a minute or so. Once I'm in, I'm redirected to the main navigation window. Here you can start adding sections, pages, or elements to your website. The interface is a simple drag and drop system, which makes it very user-friendly. You can also watch tutorials to help you get started that are available on your right side. You can easily try a template or even import your designs from Figma if you have any. Let's begin by exploring some templates. I'll show you how to add sections quickly. By clicking on the plus icon, you can insert sections like a header, footer, about section, images, and so on. For example, I added a drop-down menu with items like products, resources, and community. Each menu item can be edited easily by clicking on it, allowing you to customize the alignment, settings, and more. You can also use these options given at the bottom and adjust zoom in, zoom out, and brightness as needed. From the layers section, you can select a trigger and link products. Next, I'll choose an e-commerce template. Framer offers a variety of templates in categories like business, portfolio, personal, agency, and startup. Let's search for e-commerce and select a free template. You can preview each template to see how it looks like in a real-life example. Framer offers a variety of free templates that you can easily customize. For instance, there's a straightforward template called Athos 2. Click on preview and this is what it looks like. Framer offers thousands of free templates that are very easy to use. Now I have selected a template named Product Hub. It is clean and a good one. To use your selected template, click on it to open a preview in a new tab, where you can interact with elements and see how the site will look live. After selecting the template, I'll copy the project to my account. In the editor, you can scroll through the template with 2 fingers on your trackpad, zoom in and out, and pan around using the hand tool. You can also switch between light and dark themes to see how your site will look in different modes. Now you can arrange the text and other elements of your website as needed. Zoom in to change the minor details of your website and make sure everything is well aligned. You can also add more sections if needed. After that, edit the text to customize your website. Framer lets you view your site in desktop, tablet, or phone mode. This helps you ensure your site looks great on any device. To edit sections, double-click on them. You can change the text, add new sections, or adjust the layout. The editor also allows you to manage menu items and categories. For instance, you can add items like free, aliens, animals, and monsters to your menu and customize their order, alignment, and appearance. You can even add effects, overlays, and styles to make your site more engaging. Now let's go into editing products. Go to the CMS menu at the top. Here you can see all your products categorized by free, pro, and more. To edit a product, click on it. You can change the name, title, cover photo, and other details. For example, you can edit this product, update its title, change the cover image, and adjust the price and description. The changes will be reflected immediately on the product page. Once you're happy with your site, it's time to publish. Framer allows you to preview your site in different modes, desktop, tablet, and phone to make sure everything looks perfect. When you're ready, click on the Publish button. You can use a custom domain or stick with a generic one provided by Framer. Either way, your site will be live and accessible to everyone. Framer makes it incredibly easy to create and edit e-commerce websites. With its intuitive surface, powerful tools, and customizable templates, you can build a professional-looking site without any coding knowledge. Whether you're starting from scratch or importing existing designs, Framer has you covered. So go ahead, try it out, and build the e-commerce site of your dreams. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.